Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell where you will see more great videos like this. Today we are creating a Rubik's Cube. Ta-da! So first of all, we're just going to get the layout. So we're just going to duplicate this to the left and to the right. So duplicate on the Y. And I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll get one shape done. We'll get on the lines. We're going to do a bevel because nothing in life is that sharp, or unless it's a knife, and then it is. And then what we need to do is so we're going to select one face. We're going to inset, so I to inset, insetting 0.015. Okay, so we do 0.015 on the inset. And then what we're going to do is extrude it. So we're going to E on the X, 0.015 minus. Okay. So 0.015. And then we are going to bevel those tiny extruded edges, so these ones here. So I'm just going to hit number 2 for edges. Let's just hit that dot and then we can just get real close. Oh, not that close though. Okay, and we just want to select the edges because this is a sticker, so no stickers are flat. There's always a depth. Oh, selected the wrong bit. And then we're going to Control B, and we're going to do it about 0.15, I think. 0.15. So all the 0.15. Okay. So that's going to be our sticker. Okay, so we can see that if we go into this here and then hit our cavity, and then we can see our stickers extruded. Right, so what we've got to remember now is, say this is the bottom, so we need to hit the face, inset 0.015. This time we want to extrude on the Z. Extrude on the Z, 0.015 on the Z. Okay, and then again we need to hit those edges, so number 2 for edges, and get those, and then again we're going to Control B, 0.15. Okay, and I've got 6 segments there. So that's that one. Now what we've got to remember is we're going to do a side one. So there's only like 3 by 3. So 9 squares per face. So Shift D to duplicate on the Y. And we're going to bring it over here. So we now need an extra one face, inset 0.015. Then we need to extrude on the Y, 0.015, and then bevel the edges, so hit number 2 for edges, and then we're just going to get all those edges there and there, and then Control B 0.15. Okay, and then what we can do is a shift duplicate on the Y, and then we can, where are we? We need to rotate on the X, rotate X 90. And then we should have one on the bottom and one on the side, so that's all good. And then what we can do is just hit those, shift duplicate on the Z, because these are going to be at the top. And then what we need is to rotate on the Y 90, so we've got on the top, on the sides. And then this one here, we're going to duplicate. What do we need to do? We just need like a single and a double here. Yeah, so duplicate on the Z. We'll just bring it up. And then we can duplicate on the Y. Bring it on over there. And then the one at the bottom there, so we should rotate X 90 minus. So we've got a face there and a face there, and then duplicate on the Y. And then this one we just need to rotate on the Z 90 minus. Okay, and that should be all the faces done there. Now what we can do is just take this 6, shift duplicate on the X, rotate on the Z 90, and then just align it and bring it into place. And then these ones, shift duplicate on the X, and then we can rotate Y 180, and then duplicate on the Y, rotate Z 180, and we can just take that one there, shift duplicate on the Y, just bring it up to the top here, just make sure all aligns, and then rotate on the X 90, and then shift D on the Z, rotate on the X 90. Let's just make sure, not quite there, rotate on the X 90, there we go. Oh, we should have done a 180. Okay, and then we can just bring that up in there like so. So there's our Rubiks Cube. Hopefully we should have stickers on all sides. Just double check before you start making all the colours. So first of all these, the first colour we're going to do is like a charcoal grey, maybe a little bit darker. Okay, and then we just slap on that on all the cubes. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and don't forget to check out our website. We got loads of stuff on there. I've just opened up a shop as well, so if you want to buy, or there are some that you can buy, some models you can buy, some models that are free. I'm still building the shop at the moment. It's obviously, if you watch the videos or you like the models, but you don't want to do the tutorial, you don't have to. You can just go on our shop and download, or yeah. So you're always thinking of you guys and girls out there. Right. What we're going to do now is the colours. So what do you think is like red, blue, green, yellow, white and orange? Is there an orange? I don't know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do the first ones. So we're just going to tab, hit number 3 because we want a face, and we want that face, our sticker face, and we're going to hit a new material. Hit new. This material we're going with blue. Okay, now what I want to do is, because I want all these to be the exact same, I'm going to copy, select hex, and then you can copy that number, and then sign, tab out, tab to the next one, new material, new, and then you can just paste, hit enter, and then assign. Okay, tab out, tab in, select, new, material, paste, boom, sign, and so on, until you get all the colours, all the stickers done. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to speed this up now, because, well, it'd be boring just to watch me do this. Alright, so see you in a bit. Right, and here we are. Here we have our Rubiks Cube. Let's add in a plane for it to sit on and scale it on up. Let's just move it on up. Scale that on up. Let's give it a environment. Where are we? Not there. Let's give it that. Okay, and gonna see what we've got. Use HDR images, and I've got a photo studio, so we're going to use that as the lighting. Let's cycle GPU, denoise. I always like to use optics. And there we have, let's remove that camera. Let's turn off all that. And there we have it. there's our Rubiks Cube. So we've taken, what, 27 cubes, extruded, put a few bevels on, put the colours on, and there's your Rubiks Cube. And obviously if you want to, we could just sort of take a set and rotate it if you wanted. It's entirely up to you. Just mix it up a bit like so, depending on how arty you're feeling. Yeah, and there you go, there you have it. There's your Rubiks Cube. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next video. Ta-da for now.